Keeping kids in school and out of quarantine has been one of the biggest challenges of this school year. In Oldham County, more than 200 students are currently quarantining after exposure to COVID-19. Grace McKenna tells us more about a new strategy starting tomorrow to keep them learning.
Test to stay.
We've seen it be successful in other districts. We've worked closely with them too.
A Simple Method Director of Student Services, Eric Davis, says Oldham County Schools will start Wednesday to cut down on quarantines for exposed students.
With this option, we could potentially have kids who will not miss any instruction, and that is a huge plus to us.
Students and staff have 3 different options. They can either test daily and return when negative, wait until the 5th day to test and return after the 7th if negative, or skip the testing entirely and wait out the entire quarantine period.
Rapid tests will be available before class every school day. With around 200 unvaccinated students currently quarantining, Davis hopes to get half tested first thing Wednesday.
That's 100 kids that get to go back to school, hopefully with a negative test. That's 100 days of instruction that we get back.
The testing isn't foolproof. The health department acknowledging students could test negative early on and be positive by the time they get home.
If they have a negative test, we feel that it is safe for them to attend school that day. Still follow the layered prevention strategies.
Davis says only 2% of OCS students who are quarantined from school exposure end up testing positive, and he doesn't see a high demand for regular testing.
You know, that's usually the time that parents wanted to try to get them tested to be able to get them back in school.
OCS doesn't have a regular or asymptomatic testing program, but it's something the health department hopes more schools will consider.
Not everyone is agreeable to doing surveillance testing. We're hopeful that more people will be agreeable to the test to stay methodology.
With COVID numbers rising and contraction among kids picking up speed, Davis says they need every tool in their belt to keep students in school. In Louisville, for WHAS 11 News, I'm Grace McKenna.